Hi, my name is Hilda Zilkin, and I'm the author of Blue Mountain Mist. I am doing another entry today, and I go by Hanna. So today we have someone in the house. He was cooking some turkey mince meat, and he had put some water in it. What ended up happening, it sort of bubbled, and it was so damn disgusting. Passing by the stove, I kind of lifted it up, picked up the whole residue. And when I say there's super irregularities in the house, this is another example. Just about the time that I took to push it off the plate into the trash, because it was so gross, you know, the scuzz on top of the meat. And I'm trying to go vegan. It's been a challenge by all means. I believe I've always tried, and I believe it's the better existence for adults over 25. But in this particular case, you know, I was just helping someone out when the scuzz moved to the right. Now, if you look carefully, I started visualizing again, because this feature here looks like a little Indian man. And this one looks like a girl bent over praying. And this one looks like an upside down ram. It's very interesting. But when it gets deeper, when we start like really looking at it, right around here, I see a monkey crouched over. I see two woodland faces. I see an upside down kid. Very, very, very straightforward face. I see thousands of little faces. I see a skull here. I see a young girl from the distance, but if we look closer and maneuver it, I see an old lady with a hollow ghost in her chest. I wouldn't be surprised if that's me. Looks like a little wolf next to it. Like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if that's me. Then the upside down ram or goat or whatever. Very interesting. Now, if I didn't have Secret Service around me, you would think I purposely did that. And this is why I think I have such a humongous audience. It's just that they're also recording the irregularities. Now, this is really, really interesting. This happens 50,000 times in a day. A shadow on the wall or something. I'm walking, I do a slight trip, and, you know, something is cracked open, something in the bushes, something flying in the Shoppers Drug Mart, completely natural. And like I said, if I didn't have people around me, you would think it was made up. But I swear to you, I see faces. So the individual that was with me, he says, you know, you might just need a vacation, Hanna. I wouldn't be surprised, but this is why I have such a large audience. Like I said, it's the creativity of whatever force is fluky in terms of design. So thousands of little faces inside a residue of meat. So we're going to put that aside. On a good note, I found one of my older flyers. Now, in Canada, at that time, this was probably one of the first flyers to go out. I don't know if you get a chance. About 10,000 copies went out. Now, for those who don't know, you know, this was at the beginning where the plague began. And this is where Canada's poem is. Now, if you notice how old the papers are, because it was just one of the first copies, so I kept it. And it's part of history because it is based off someone's work. So, do I want to send out new flyers? No, I absolutely don't. Like I said, years ago, you know, it had a very, very important meaning for us. This was prior to the conflict. It just reflects part of history. That is all. So this is where we are today. Just some, like I said, some good news. I'm just assuming Lucifer's screwing with me again, if you do believe in evil and hell and good stuff. And just to show you what I found in my old dossiers, going way back many years, the first flyers that were handed to all the universities, and they represent a big monumental defeat for history. So that is where we are today. Thank you and have a good day.